Guys, welcome to Gate Architecture Preparation. Let's understand about one planning concept. The most asked question in Gate Architecture, repetitive question. Normally the question will comes like who proposed Christaller theory. Otherwise Christaller theory is which type of theory, whether it is a geographical theory or a what kind of theory it is. These kind of questions often come in gate architecture and planning, so let's dive deep into it. See, central place theory, this is basically a geographical theory, guys. This is geographical, that means it depends on the land. Whatever the land we see, it is related to that kind. Okay, geographical theory, spatial theory, basically you can say spatial theory, that tries to, sometimes there are theories which are policy, but this is a physical spatial theory that tries to explain how and why cities, towns and villages are located in, suppose see, why only cities are at some particular distance, why cities are not very nearby, why villages are very with very less distance, why villages are small in size, why only some services are available in villages and why more services are available in cities. All these this particular theory will answer all these questions. So this theory was basically proposed by Walter Christaller, guys. Most important theory was proposed by Walter Christaller in 1933, and in simple terms I will tell you this as brief because this is a short. I will tell you very briefly. You can see my detailed video later for detailed explanation. Okay, so think of central place theory. It's like people live in different places, some in big cities, some in towns and some in small villages. Okay, big cities offer many services. See, suppose we all know that big cities, suppose in India, Delhi is there or Hyderabad is there. So it has many, it has good education facilities, big international schools, big shopping malls, big universities, all big hospital healthcare facilities are there. That one we can't expect in small towns, small villages. We can't, suppose some village in Haryana, we can't expect an international school to be there. Okay, so similarly, large large towns or cities are spaced farther apart because they serve more people. We all know that towns, they serve more people because towns will be in less in number. Suppose if villages are there, these are 3 4 5 villages in center, there will be town, and all these surrounding villages, it will act as a growth pole. All these village people will be coming to town for getting the services like big groceries or some shopping. They will come, they have to come to the town. And suppose if in towns also it will be there for some extent, then if you want much more bigger services, you have to go to cities. So it goes on like that. So larger towns and cities are spaced farther apart, that is correct. Smaller places are more frequent, that means they are very nearby and closer together because they serve fewer people. The layout often looks like pattern of hexagon. So Walter Christaller, what he says is it looks like a hexagon, he is saying. See, suppose hexagon is having 8 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So all these, it will be like repetitive, guys. All the hexagons, it will be like repetitive. You can see it's like some cells. Chemistry, you will see all these cells, right? So it's like some chemical chain. So suppose if a city is there, in between surrounding there will be towns, surrounding again there will be villages, villages. So it will be like hexagon. That's what you can some suppose if a question comes, in what shape it will be there, the layout proposed by Walter Christaller, what shape it will be there, we have to say that it's a pattern of hexagons, hexagon shape, to evenly cover. See, what happens is see, this is mainly, this is important, evenly cover space without overlapping or gap. Suppose if I have a circle, if I try to do it in a circle, This in between, whatever the in between space is there, this is I am leaving out this space. Suppose if a small villager in this space, so in my theory I am leaving that space. So to avoid that, to have a everything covered, so what it is, in hexagon it will be covered without any gap, all these hexagons. So this is one of the most important concept, guys. So again, key concept, central place theory. One more thing is, he also defined definitions in central place theory. What it is, what is a central place, what is a hinterland, what is a hierarchy? Can anybody guess? Central place we already discussed. Central place is nothing but a city or town that provides goods and services to surrounding areas. That is, it's a nucleus. This is a city or a town that is providing two services to villages, one village, two village, all these people, they will come to town. So this town is a central place, or this village is this the area served by central place. The village is called hinterland. All these villages are called hinterlands, and the central place is called town. The town is called central place. So basically the central place theory name also came from this, guys. Hinterland area served by central place. Hierarchy. Bigger central places serve large areas and offer more complex services. Bigger central place serve larger areas. Okay. Suppose one metropolitan city is there. It will cover much bigger area when compared to a small city is there. It will compare some small area. Suppose if Chandigarh is there, this is Chandigarh, this is Delhi. Delhi will attract more. They will serve large, big areas. Suppose Delhi will serve total NCR, National Capital Region, NCR it will serve. Whereas Chandigarh surrounding by Haryana and Punjab, those people will come to Chandigarh. Okay. So bigger central places can serve larger areas and more often more complex services, bigger services. Suppose bigger aims, bigger international schools, GD Goenka, or bigger schools, they will be only in metropolitan cities, guys. So this is image central place theory concept. I will explain you through images, guys. Please concentrate. So this is the main central place. Whatever we thought, this is a bigger city. This acts as a magnet. So town people will also come to cities for bigger services. First village people will go to town for services, and if they want bigger, they will go to city. Then in second hierarchy, they will go to city. So in first tier, there are villages. So many villages will be there. Distance between villages are also small. See, in this one you can see distance between villages is very small. So this distance is very small when compared to village to central place. So that is the concept, guys. Villages first tier, next tier it's towns, next central place. So reminding the everything, guys. Central place was proposed by Walter Christaller in 1933. This is basically a geographical theory, and in simple terms, because mainly big cities offer many services, people will be attracted to the cities. Then for small things they will go to towns, and then the villages. From villages to people come to towns, then from towns to cities. And basically what it is, he proposed in hexagon shape, so that there won't be any gaps in between two hexagons. It's a contiguous, so you are not leaving any place, any patch you are not leaving. So he proposed in a hexagons. This is geographical theory. So he mainly explaining why cities are smaller in number, less in number when compared to villages, why cities are located farther apart when compared to villages. So I think you got the point, guys. Once again, we'll meet with another interesting lecture. Till then, take care. Bye.